Meaning of George du Maurier.
George du Maurier.
George du Maurier.
George du Maurier.
George du Maurier. George du Maurier was a prominent British cartoonist and novelist in the late 19th century. He is best known for his illustrations in Punch magazine, which satirized and commented on Victorian society. Du Maurier also wrote 3 novels, including the popular Trilby, which introduced the character of Svengali. His work had a significant impact on popular culture and the arts in England at the time, and his legacy continues to be felt today. Du Maurier passed away in 1896, but his contributions to British literature and art live on.